Hey friend, do you look at Pinterest and you're like, oh my goodness, that tablescape is beautiful and I have no idea how to achieve that? I am Angela Block from angelablock.com, author, blogger, and interior designer. I have over 20 years of experience and I absolutely love to entertain when I have the time. It's hard to find the time, isn't it? So want you to create memories with those you love. Family is so important and gathering around the table is key. How do we gather around the table without feeling uncomfortable or stressed out or feeling like it's cold? We want to create warmth. We want to create an atmosphere of gathering. So here are my 5 simple steps. So I've taken these cheap pumpkins from the dollar store. Actually, these ones came off of a wreath. I didn't like them. They looked cheesy. But yeah, I pulled them off because I loved the wreath itself. And now I've painted. I've mixed actually a couple colors together. So by doing a turquoise and a yellow, it makes green. And then you add a little bit of black and it pulls the color out of it, so it makes it a little bit more neutral. So just mix those colors together to create this kind of warm neutral turquoise color. So yeah, waiting for those to dry. I can add them to my tablescape. So now we're going to set the table with our dishes. So here we go. There you have it, my friends. There's your tablescape made simple. It can be so hard to do if you don't know what you're doing. You see these pretty pictures on Pinterest, but when you know the simple steps on how to achieve that pretty little tablescape, it actually is very, very simple. So just go get your greenery, some pumpkins, real, not real, paint them if you need to, grab your napkins, put down a table runner. Remember to keep a theme of your colors. Choose colors that work with your space and the feel and the ambiance that you want, and you are ready. Remember to like, subscribe on my channel here for more inspiration, and watch for your simple steps on how to make Thanksgiving really, really light and simple and not stressful, keeping you on a budget, my friend, and helping you love coming home and enjoying the people you love again.